Right now, from the Mississippi Live Weather Center, here's meteorologist Gabe Maynor.
Well, heat continues to be a big story to wrap up our work week here in North Mississippi. I'm meteorologist Gabe Maynor here for a Mississippi Live weather update. You see those extreme heat warnings in place all the way through Sunday, folks. We've extended those into the weekend with the rest of those heat advisories being extended as well. Now, we could definitely see an expansion of those warnings, but with where things stand right now, some of that drier air, maybe not allowing those heat indices to jump up to 115 degrees, but 105 to 110, that's hot enough, right? Temperatures overnight going to be as mild as we get, 84 degrees by 9, 80 close to midnight, and heading out the door for our Friday morning. That's right, we've officially made it to the end of the work week. It's going to be pretty warm there in the upper 70s and low 80s. Now, Futurecast trying to give us some hope. Let me tell you here, we're not going to be getting much in the rainfall department overnight. Our skies stay dry, plenty of clear skies as well to get out and enjoy if you do want to maybe do some stargazing later tonight. But if you're just wanting a great start to your morning, you're going to get that as well with that sunshine prevailing once again. Not impossible to see a pop-up sprinkle, but I'm not sold on those rain chances once again. I think a large part of that moisture staying more elevated as a drier pattern begins to settle in. 78 Senatobia and Holly Springs. We're 77 Houston, Tupelo and Amory, 76 Louisville and Kosciuszko. I do see 78 Cleveland and Belzona, so there are going to be some locations that are warmer than others, but the heat, however you want to refer to it, it's going to be here in a big way to wrap up the week. Friday, we're at 98 degrees. By Saturday and Sunday, though, triple digits on the horizon, something we've been previewing all week long. Well, that reality is right around the corner. We will see plenty of sunshine, so at least there is a positive, but we need to make sure we're being mindful of the heat and staying safe in the process. We're going to be talking all the latest details on those temperatures and feels like values coming up at 9 and 10 on your Thursday. Keep it here for the very latest and have a great evening.
People are like, Bulldog Burger Company. Great burgers. Okay, stop right there. Yes, they make the best burger you ever had. Never smashed, but that's not all. Look at this chicken BLT salad. Just look at it. And a chicken sandwich? No. Come in here. Get closer. It's the chicken sandwich.